Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial from IPTV platform, and today I'm gonna show you and explain the TMS dashboard where professors can create tasks, schedule tests, attach supporting content for lessons, and they can also publish test grades. So first thing to do is to type your credentials and make sure you got in. This is the main menu first tab, Models, where all models that you create will be listed. As you can see, I have two models already made. And this second tab, Tasks, is where professors will publish grades for completed lessons or tests. Okay, now let's talk about how to make a new model. So to start making a new model, you click in the new model button up there, and then you will be able to start and build the structure of the model. And first thing to do is to name the title and the description. For example, I'm using here geography, and for description I'm using cartography. You can set some tags to make it easier to search for models on the platform. So, geography. And in categories, once you save your model, this will be able to set up. This basically serves to organize the subjects into categories. Let me show you how this works. We have the disciplines, and I can set the discipline of this model. So we're using geography. Now let's add some content to our model. You can add as many contents you want or delete them. As you can see here, we have some types of content that can be added in your model, like add a simple question that include discursive question, multiple choice with single answer, or a multiple choice with multiple answers. You can add pure texts, you can add links, PDF files, you can add images, or even a YouTube video. So now let's make an example of a common question. First, I write the question that will be answered by the student. Then I can add images, YouTube videos, or formulas. For this example, I will use an image. Each question can be defined by mandatory or not. Then you will define the score of that specific question. And this type, which as already mentioned, can be discursive, multiple choice question with one answer, or a multiple choice question with multiple answers. I'm using single answer here. You can also add images or formulas to the multiple choice answers. For adding more answer options, just clicking Add Options. You can add as many answers as you want to your question. Make sure to select the right answer, and you're done. Note that you can always save your progress on Save Task. Now let's add some more type of contents to our model, and the next one is to add texts. It's very simple. You can paste all the text content there, add it if you need to, and save your progress. So moving to the next one, we have the add link as content, and it is also very simple. You can title the link. Let's do and Then just paste the link and you're good. And then we have the adding PDF as content. It is also very simple. You can title them and upload the file. It will show the preview and you can check or use full screen. And the next one is add images. You can also title them and upload the file. Remember to always save your tasks. And the last one is the add videos from YouTube in our model. You can also title them and just paste the URL from the YouTube and it will show the preview. You can watch if you want to, and this is it. Just save your test. Now that we're done with our test, we can edit some things, like you can organize the questions in which way you want, and you can also select the background color for the exam. So let's keep this one and then save the task. Now that you save your task, you can go back to the main menu and then we can publish our task. Before we publish our model, we can preview by clicking in this watch eye here, and we preview how it will be shown on the mobile devices or tablet devices or even in a desktop. Now let's get back to the main menu, and as you can see, this is the date that I created my model, and note that you can always edit your model by clicking in this pen here, and if you edit, it will be updated the date. Now let's publish our model by clicking this icon, publish. There will be these two options that allow the professor to publish to a single classroom, for more than one specific classroom, or in an entire grade. For this example, I will publish for a single classroom. Now I can schedule the date that this model will be made available for the students to take it. I can also enable an expiration date, that means the student will have a limit time to complete the tasks. Then I just click in publish and my task will be published. Now that you have published your model, let's explore the second tab, tasks here. And here is where all the models that you publish will be listed and can be graded and corrected by the teacher, and then publish the final score to the students. As you can see here, I have my geography exam published at my simple classroom, and here is where you can check the status of the model. It says published, so students still able to do the exam. In the case if I had enabled an expiration date and the time had run out, it will appear delayed. Note that students can still take the exam while they are delayed. In this case, the teacher will know when the student delivers a delayed exam and will be up to him to consider or not. To grade and correct the exams taken by the students, you go to Task Details. Here I can see how many students take the exam, how much time they took to complete it, and then publish the final score to them. In this case here, I've already have my score because the system automatically fixes the multiple choice tasks. But for regular tests or exams that you will have many type of questions, the teacher can access the exam answered by the student here on Update. Then the teacher can add comments in general or even in a specific question. When finished, you just need to fix task and then the exam rated and commented by the teacher will be published to the student. You can always access the preview or edit models for rescheduling them. And if you made any changes, don't forget to save task. And that's it guys, thanks for watching.